Hello and welcome. If you're just joining us today, this is Victor Shamaki, and today we're going to learn how to sync video and audio on Premiere Pro, but we're going to use a third-party plugin. It's called PluralEyes. So that's what we're going to use to sync this video and audio together. Alright, so let's get into Premiere and get that done. So I have the same clips I used in the last video like a week ago. And basically, this 3-camera setup. One is my system screen recording, and the other two are 2 different camera angles, and each of them have an audio. But we want to sync them together so that we can have one standard audio. So the audio coming from microphone is the audio on A1, which is the audio that was coming directly from recorded microphone that is the lapel that is on my vest. All right, so all we need to do is to highlight all of them, and in this you just need to put them anywhere. It doesn't really matter. It's going to do its thing. All right, so but you need to have them on separate timeline like this. Now this that is on the same line, you should put it on the same line, not spreading like the way I did the other one. All right. Okay, so you highlight all of them, and then you come over to Windows, and then you go to Extensions, and then you see PluralEyes. So PluralEyes is a third-party software that has been made by Red Giant. Yes, so Red Giant owns this plugins, and it's not free. It's a paid software, but it does really nice job. So you're just going to click on PluralEyes, and it's going to pop up here. Once it pop up, you're going to see sequence, whatever, ready to synchronize. So you can either open the plugin, the PluralEyes, or you just click on synchronize. So I'm using a version of 2023. I've not been able to upgrade on all of that. So just click on synchronize, and then you watch it send media to PluralEyes and begins to prepare media to synchronize, and then it's synchronizing, and then boom, it's done. So you can see that it's opening it back in Premiere Pro. So once that is done, you will see that your clips are completely synchronized. So you can see, so both Premiere and this third party, before that I know, when I started video editing like back in 2019 thereabout, you hardly have this kind of tool. I remember that time we were doing one music video, and we have to go here, go there. But when I discovered Red Giant PluralEyes, I didn't even make an attempt to check again. But today we have several options. The Premiere Pro, which was the last video we did, has a plugin where you can synchronize video and audio yourself. And then we have PluralEyes as another alternative, and all of them are very good. So when you play this video, you will see that it's really synchronized. So that brings us to the end of this video. So thank you for tuning in, and thank you for watching to this video. Don't forget to like, share,
YouTube channel,
comment, and subscribe. And I will definitely see you in the next video.